This is a Soennecken 103. Put some silicone grease on the piston rod. Silicone grease on the piston itself. This is the original seal. It's kind of some kind of rubber substance. There is a key. So excuse my poor lighting here. I'm going to push this in to the barrel. I'm going to use a rod to push it all the way down to nearly the other end. There's actually a key. The key way in the barrel stops, so you can't go all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and start threading the barrel in, and it's going to start pulling the thing as soon as it reaches. And that's it. This is a section, and that was right-handed thread. This is also right-handed thread. And the nip. Okay, and that's how to put it together. To take it apart is the same. Unscrew the section so you get enough clearance on in the barrel to unscrew the knob.